Hello everyone and welcome back to the Nerd Cave. In this tutorial, we will learn how to connect a button to the Raspberry Pi 5 and use this button to control an LED. A push button is one of the most common ways to receive input in a microcontroller, or in our case the Raspberry Pi. So this is a very good tutorial when you're just starting out and you need to receive some input from a user. To follow along with this tutorial, you'll need the following components shown here. Make all the necessary connections as shown in this connection diagram. Once you have finished building your circuit, let's go look at some example code. On your Raspberry Pi, go to your web browser and then go to nerdcave.xyz. Scroll down a little bit to Raspberry Pi and click on Get Started. Then click on Tutorials and go to Tutorial 3, Button Input. And then here on the right we can click on Code. And then here we can then go and copy this code. Once we have copied the code, click on your Start button, go to Programming and click on Funny. And now we can just paste the code here. So let's quickly go through this code together. We start by importing LED and button from GPIO 0. If you're not sure what GPIO 0 is, it's just a standard library that comes installed on your Raspberry Pi. And you'll see here's a lot of basic tutorials. For example, button controlled LED and so on. And we will use this library in our example. Back to our code, we then initialize our LED, which is connected to pin 17, and our button that is connected to pin 18. We want to keep track of the LED state, so in the beginning we will set our LED status to false. Then we will print to the screen, press the button to toggle the LED, or press Ctrl C to exit the program. So then we have an endless loop. If button dot is pressed, so we check if the button is pressed. If this is pressed, the LED status will be not LED status. So in other words, when we press the button, this will then become true. And if the LED status changed, the LED will go to on and we will print LED as on. Else the LED will be off and it will print LED off. And there's a 0.5 second delay, and this will help for debouncing to prevent multiple toggles in a short time. Running this script, we get the following. It prints out here, press the button to toggle the LED, or press Ctrl C to exit. Now when we press the button, it shows LED on and we can see our LED comes on. And if we press our button again, our LED status will go to false, and it will show LED off, and we can see our LED is off. And that in short is how you can use a button with the Raspberry Pi 5. If there is any questions or anything you did not understand, let me know in the comment section and I will get back to you. I will see you in the next simple tutorial. Goodbye.